don't know who's outside with their car or their truck making noise, but y'all are disturbing me.
Make sure you catch me from my good side. I think I'm ready for my close up tonight. Make sure you catch me from my good side.
Hey you guys, Mikeya here. Welcome back. So today we are doing this fall look, and I'm really excited for fall. Winter is coming. So you guys already know the drill. I'm gonna do the eyebrows, and then I'm gonna get started, and we're gonna be right back. Okay, you guys, I already did my eyebrows and did one eye off the camera. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what I did on this eye. So first off, I'm going to go in with a base. I'm forgetting the step. So I want to take a piece of tape because I want the edges to be sharp. And now I'm going to go in with my concealer for my base. And I want to make sure I want to bring this color up to my eyebrow. And to blend in that concealer, I'm going to take one of these white sponges to blend that in. So now that I have it blended in, the colors that I am using today, I will leave everything down below in the description box. So you guys make sure you check out the description box for everything that I use. But if you don't have what I have, you guys can use whatever you have. I'm just going to put everything down below and show you guys the colors on the screen. So now I'm going to take a small brush and I'm going to go in with this blue shade, and I want to pop this shade. I want to take this color and I want to focus the color in my outer V, and I want to keep the color right in my crease. I want to keep this color really low, and I just want to dab this color on to get the shape that I want. And then I'm going to go back and build in that color. Next, I want to go in with my setting powder, and I want to take a flat stone brush like this, and I want to set this brow area to help us blend out the next shade we're about to put down. So next, I would just want to blend out that blue a little bit. I'm going to go in with this shade. I like mixing colors together, so you know, you have the shade that match, you know, you win the money, you earn it for the money, okay? So you just want to apply the colors down first, and then I like to go in and blend everything out. Then I'm going to take a fluffier brush and blend that color in. And I like to bring the color up into the eyebrow. Add depth there. And then I'm gonna go back into that brush that I applied the blue and just want to bring more of the color back in. And I like to make small circular motions to bring back in that color and to blend it into that brown. Okay, so the next step, I'm going to do a cut crease, and I'm just going to clean out this first layer of concealer. I'm just going to take some Vaseline and a Q-tip. I got this tip from TaylorMade Jane. We want to clean up this area, and this just helps with the application of the next layer. With applying your next concealer, you don't want this to build up, because usually you let the product build up, it just cracks and cracks and cracks. So, and then next you want to take your makeup wipe and wipe away. It just wipes right away. I'm going to go in with my lightest concealer, and I'm going to carve out, and I'm taking an angle brush and I just want to carve out my cut crease. Okay, now when I get my desired shape, I am going to go back into the blue to enhance a little bit more of that blue. And next, I'm going to go into this purple shade. And I just want to apply that shade next to that blue. And I want to keep this purple shade about right here. And I want to go back and forth between those two shades to get the desired blending on it. Now this next color is going to take a little bit of finessing because I don't have this shade. And I want a mustard shade. So if you have a mustard shade, you're on the money like I said. So I just want to take another flat brush and I'm just going to be mixing this. And I want to apply this color. And when I get that color applied, I'm going to go back into the purple to blend that into the yellow. I just want to add a liner into the top of the crease, and I want to add a liner here. Okay, now that I have the first line, I'm going to go in with this shade here, and I'm just going to apply that color to that. And so to brighten up that color just a little bit, I'm going to take this shade and put it on the top of it to give me that copper look. I'm going to go into the concealer and we're going to create a line here. I want to take an angled brush and I want to apply the same color that I applied first. Now I'm going to go in with another brush and I'm going to be adding a black liner. Now let's jump right into the face. So first thing, I want to be color correcting. Y'all, gotta color correct. Okay, now so I'm going to go in with a little bit of primer. And so now I'm going to go into foundation. Okay, so now I have that blended out. I'm going to go into my highlighting. I'm just going to let that sit down just a little bit, and then I'm going to go into a little bit of contouring now. I'm just going to contour the face really nicely. Put it there because we fat on there. before I set anything, I want to make sure my face is completely blended in. So now I'm just going to go in and set first. I'm going to set under my eyes first. I'm just going to take my powder. Set that area first. Now that I have all my highlighted areas set, I'm going to finish setting the rest of my face. Okay, now that I have that set, I'm going to go into bronzing, and then we're going to do a little bit of contour. And we're going to add blush. Okay, now at this point, we want to give our face a good mist, and then we're going to jump right back into the eyes.
So jumping right back into the eyes, I'm going to go back into my concealer that I use as my base, and I just want to get a flat brush and apply this right below my bottom lash line. And then I'm going to take that purple shade, and I just want to pat this color in and build this color up. And then I'm going to go in with the blue, and I'm going to put this on the outer edge, and I want to blend it right into that purple. And then into my waterline, I'm taking a white base, and I'm taking a small brush and applying this. And I wish I had a yellow eyeliner. I wouldn't have to do all of this, but you know, if you don't have that, you know, we gotta finesse and make it work. So I'm gonna take that same yellow color, and I'm gonna put this right into that white. And for the inner corner, I'm adding the base again, and then I'm gonna go back into the two shades that I applied for my liner for our inner corner highlight today. And then I apply mascara and lashes off camera.
Okay, y'all, now it's on to the lips. So I'm gonna go in with a brown liner first. I have to. Y'all know what I forgot? Highlight. And today I'm gonna go in with my lipstick. Y'all, do we want some gloss? Just a little bit. Just a little bit. You gotta do some gloss, y'all. Okay, you guys, this is the completed look. You guys, comment below. Let me know, do you like this look? Would you guys recreate this look? And, you know, what would you guys like to see next? And I'm so excited about the fall. You cannot go wrong with a pretty lip, dark lip, and a pretty dramatic eye for the fall. I know this year has been crazy, but you know, we gotta look forward to better things. Anyway, you guys, make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you really like the way this look came out. And you guys, make sure you are subscribed to the channel, and you guys click the bell so you are notified when I upload a video. And you guys remember to love, embrace, celebrate who you are, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.